Hey, Andrew from Ozito. Today I'm going to talk to you about this Gasless MIG Welder. All the specs you'll need are on the back of the box. Now let's check out what you get in the box. You get your Gasless MIG Welder, your welding torch, a spare tip and shroud, the chipping hammer and wire brush, your user manual for the tips and tricks on how to use it, a handheld welding mask, and your Gasless MIG wire lives in here. Check your user manual for tips, but to get started you'll need to feed your wire down to your torch, then adjust your settings through here and get practicing on a scrap piece of metal. The adjustable wire feed, just here, makes it really simple to speed up or slow down the wire coming out the torch. With a simple press of the trigger, feeding the wire out here means it's great for continuous welding. This MIG welder comes with 2 amp settings, handling a wide range of welding applications. It comes with a perfect duty cycle for all your DIY welding. This Gasless MIG welder is perfect for all those DIY welding projects, from beginners to the experienced.